Hi guys, this is Josh here, and today we're going to have the review of the 116 Plus smartwatch after 4 months of use. Let's go! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Josh here again, and today we have here the 116 Plus smartwatch that we got 4 months ago. And now I'm going to tell you what its performance after 4 months. Okay, so first guys, so let's have here with the touch response. It is still working. Yes, on my previous video I said that it's quite hard to press. It's still the same, especially we just press it with the index finger, but with the thumb it is still working well. With the battery guys, I'm pretty amazed with the battery because whenever I charge it, and even if it only takes around like 10 minutes or just 15 minutes, the battery can have like 2 bars in there. It's not like the other smartwatch which you need to wait to like 1 hour or 2 hours for it to function. With the heart rate, so let's see if the sensor is still working. Okay, so let's just long press it here. Okay, so it is still working guys. Let's try and check. Okay, so this is now the result guys. So the blood pressure, the heart rate, and the auto saturation. Okay, the strap is still the same as when we first purchased it. So didn't have really any problem with this, and it still feels strong guys after 4 months of use. The only thing that as I mentioned before, so there is still the scratches is very visible here. Yeah, but aside from the scratches, I think it is still working well. And yeah, with the budget, with the price around $4 or $5, I think it's very reasonable. So after 4 months, I can say that this product is doing what it has or what it's supposed to do. Okay guys, so I think that's all, and if you want to be updated about the smartwatches and affordable gadgets there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yes, okay, and I will see you guys soon.